Translate phrases to algebraic equation. Algebraic equation, as you know, should have an equal to sign and at least one variable. Okay. Now, phrases to equation. Here are a few phrases given to us. Number one, area of a square is 12 more than its sides. Okay. Sometimes it's better to make a diagram, right? And then understand what the question is. So let's say this is our square. And let us say the sides of the square are s, right? The square has equal sides, right? So the two sides will be s, right? So now how could you write an equation for this? So we say let the area of the square be a. So first we define a variable, okay? So we say let the area of the square be a. In that case, a is equals to, area of the square is 12 more than its sides. So area of the square is 12 more than its sides. So what is area equals to? Area is equals to side square. You know that, right? So this is first equation, kind of. We're just trying to see how to develop, right? The area of square is 12 more than its sides. And second, they say, well, area of square is also equal to 12 more than its sides. So side is s. So it's like s plus 12, right? So both are areas, right? So both are areas, so we write one equation relating the two. And the equation becomes s squared is equal to s plus 12. Do you see that? That is how we found our equation. So here you will first say let the side length of the square be s, right? Then the area will be s squared, right? 12 more than the side means s plus 12. And both areas should be equal, correct? We are talking about the same square, and therefore we get an equation equating the two, correct? Same things. So on left side we have written s squared, and on the right side s plus 12. And that's how we get an equation in one variable. And the variable here is side length of the square, okay? Now let's do the next one. 3 times a number decreased by 5 is 10 more than twice a number. So let the number be n. So first step, we say let the number be n. Now second, 3 times the number decreased by 5. So 3 times the number will be 3n. Is it okay? Decreased by 5 means decreased by 5 is 10 more than twice. That means is equal to 10 more than twice a number. So let twice a number first plus 10. Okay? So 10 more than twice a number, right? I will appreciate if you also go through the algebraic expression part, right? Translate phrases to algebraic expression, where we have explained why I've written 2n plus 10 rather than n plus 2n, okay? So that equation is literal translation of the phrase given to us. Next one. 1/2 of a number increased by 5 is 20. So we say let the number be n. I'm not repeating it, but you should. Let the number be n. And then 1/2 of a number. So this is half of a number, right? Half of a number increased by 5 plus 5 is 20. Is 20. That's it. So see how easy it is, right? Is translates to equal to, correct? And things like increase to plus, decrease to negative, right? Times multiplication, half is division, like a quotient. Do you see that? Now let's move on to the next one. Sum of two consecutive odd numbers is 26. Now, you know what are consecutive numbers? We did it in algebraic expression also. Numbers which come together, they are consecutive numbers. How about odd consecutive numbers? Like they skip, right? 3, 5, 7, so we skip 1. But they are consecutive in a sense that the two numbers closest being odd are 3 and 5, right? How could you write them as in form of variable? Let n be a number, let us say. Let n be one number. Then the next consecutive number, which is odd, will be how much? N plus 2, correct? We say sum of two consecutive odd numbers is 26. So we'll say n plus n plus 2 means equal to 26. Do you understand? So here the term odd, do you see that odd is not just the next number, it's not next number, it's consecutive odd number. That's why we did n plus 2. Hope you understand it. Okay, if you have doubts, put in your comments and we'll find a way to explain you better. Thank you.